A very good morning to all of you. The topic that we are going to see the preparation of potassium dichromate. We need to know that it is very important 5-mark question. First we should write the chromate ore. Chromate ore formula FeOCr2O3. It consists of two oxide, ferrous oxide and chromic oxide. Is added with sodium carbonate. It's a white mass. It's nothing but washing soda. Then we should pass the air in the presence of 900 to 1000 degree Celsius. So in this equation we will get three products. One is sodium chromate and the remaining two are ferric oxide and carbon dioxide. This equation is unbalanced. So we need to balance this equation. First, right side we have to see the ion Fe2. So left side only one, so I put 2 here. Next you have to see the chromium. After putting 2, the chromium 4. So here only 1, so I put 4 here. Next we go to see the sodium. Right side 4 into 2, 8. Here only 2, so I put 4. Then carbon 4, here only 1, so I put 4 here. Okay. Afterwards, the oxygen alone, we go to check it. Remaining elements are balanced, so oxygen alone we go to check it. So right side you count the oxygen. 4 into 4, 16 plus 3. Here 4 into 2, 8. So totally 16 plus 3, 19 plus 8, 27. Right side 27. Left side we have to count it. 4 oxygen. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 into 8. Then 4 into 3, 12. So we need 7 because 8 plus 12, 20. 7 is required. So we can write 7 by 2. These 2 to cancel means we can write 7. So left side 27, right side 27, oxygen. So this equation is balanced. So still we didn't get a potassium dichromate. The first equation main product is a sodium chromate. Sodium chromate. The second equation we have to write the sodium chromate again. Na2CrO4. That alone we have to take. Remaining two products are not required. Not required. Okay. Now you write sodium chromate is treated with sulfuric acid. When the sodium chromate is treated with the sulfuric acid, it gives three products. Sodium dichromate plus sodium sulfate plus water. So this equation is too unbalanced because right side sodium 2 plus 2, 4, left side only 2. Just add 2 here. Now you got to check it. Chromium balanced. Left side 2, right side 2. Sodium balanced. 2 into 2, 4. Here also 4. Then oxygen 8 plus 4, 12. Here also 7 plus 4 plus 1, 12. Hydrogen right side 2, left side 2. This equation is balanced. So one more equation we have to write because still we didn't get a potassium dichromate. It is a sodium dichromate. Okay, from sodium dichromate we can prepare potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate molecular formula K2Cr2O7. Okay. Then sodium dichromate is treated with potassium chloride. Potassium chloride. Here the K plus and the Na plus, both cations are exchanged. So K will come here, Na will go here. So we can get NaCl. The potassium dichromate is orange red crystal. So now this equation I have to balance. Right side you see the potassium 2. So I put 2 here. Left side sodium 2. I put 2 here. Now the chlorine 2. Right side also 2. Chromium 2. Left side, right side. Both are balanced. Oxygen also balanced. So for preparing potassium dichromate, these 3 equations are required for getting 5 mark.